Have you seen this dancing skeleton in temples? 3 legs playing music beside Shiva. His name is Bhringi, and most people walk past him without knowing his story. Bhringi was a great devotee of Shiva, but he had one problem. He refused to worship Parvati. When Shiva and Parvati would sit together, he would only walk around Shiva's side. Shiva told him, Parvati and I are one, you cannot separate us. But Bhringi didn't listen, so Shiva decided to teach him. The next time Bhringi came, Shiva and Parvati had become one body, Ardhanarishwara, half Shiva, half Parvati. Now Bhringi could not walk around just one side, but he was stubborn. He turned into a beetle, drilled a hole right through their body and passed through, just to worship only Shiva. Parvati looked at him calmly. You think you can worship Shiva without me? Let me show you what I am. She withdrew all the Shakti from Bhringi's body. His flesh started disappearing. His blood drained away. Only bones remained. Bhringi tried to stand, but he couldn't. Without Shakti, his skeleton just collapsed. Now do you understand? Shiva said. Without her, you cannot even exist. Bhringi lay on the ground helpless. Forgive me, he whispered. I tried to divide what cannot be divided. Shiva touched him. A third leg appeared on his skeletal body. Now you can stand, Shiva said. But remember, without her, even I cannot give you strength. She is a power in everything. Bhringi stood up. He bowed to both Shiva and Parvati. From today you will dance beside me forever, Shiva said. So everyone who sees you remembers this truth. That figure you see in temple, still dancing, still standing on 3 legs. His skeleton reminds us, without Shakti, nothing can stand. Shiva and Shakti are not two, they are one. And Bhringi spends eternity showing us that they cannot be divided. Next time you visit a Shiva temple, look for the 3-legged skeleton. He's been standing there for centuries teaching the same lesson. Without Shakti, even the greatest devotee cannot stand. If you enjoyed watching this, comment Om Namah Shivaya. Follow me, the Temple Girl, to know more such symbols from our temples.